How to reset Omnipod 5 app, clear errors and restore functionality. Step 1. Full app reset in the Omnipod 5 app or controller. Go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and select Reset PDM or Reset Clear All Data. Confirm the action. The app will return to its initial setup state and require full reconfiguration. Step 2. Force stop and clear cache, Android only. If you reusing an Android device and the app is unresponsive, go to Settings, Apps, Omnipod 5 Force Stop. Then go to Storage Clear Cache. Step 3. Restart the app or device on the Omnipod 5 controller. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until options appear. Select Restart or Power Off, then turn it back on. On a compatible smartphone, restart your phone, then reopen the Omnipod 5 app and tap Try Again or Check Status to re-establish communication with the pod. Omnipod 5 app error. Press OK to acknowledge or silence the alarm. Check your blood glucose levels. Verify that the app is functioning as expected. If problems persist, contact Omnipod product support at 1-800-591-3455. No pod communication. If the app displays a no pod communication message, ensure your device is within 5 feet of the active pod. Make sure no other pods, active or discarded, are within 20 feet. Tap Try Again or Check Status in the app. As a last resort, select Discard Pod, remove the pod and activate a new one.